Hello there.
General Kenobi! You are a bold one. Kill him. Back away! I will deal with this Jedi slime myself!
Your move.
You fool! I've been trained in your Jedi arts by Count Dooku! Attack, Kenobi!
I don't think so.
Where is the cube? The humans have taken it. You fail me yet again, Starscream. Get them!
I'm spying, you're lying. No radiation, no frying. In this reactor, my wife lost her life, and now my heart's dying. It wasn't an earthquake, no, it wasn't a typhoon. It'll send us back to the Stone Age, and it's gonna happen soon. Well, I just think you're crazy. Are you smoking crystal blue? I'm no longer Heisenberg, rolling with a different crew. Japan is very far away from New Mexico. Instead of dealing drugs, I'm finding clues. The truth must be exposed.
Since you asked for the truth, yeah, thought that we should meet. And with my radiation hibernation, time to spread my seed. After bringing down the air force with my EMP, I'll use a nuke as a dildo to bomb a 60 lady.
Radioactively message left on the way. Cause I'm cool, thanks, I need to be late. Biggest struggle, please, what's my home and passion and drink
These thinking nature's in our control.
Let them fight, let them fight. Our families with Godzilla's the only one who can save our soul. Let them fight, let them fight.
I be a radioactive dino who's 300 feet tall, causing tsunamis in Hawaii and the Golden Gate to fall. Yeah, surrounded by an entourage of aircraft carriers, I be the king of the monsters. I cause hysteria, hunting mutas for a living, swat the mail like a fly, then be fired down this bitch's throat, cause her ass to die. Tired from the ordeal, so I take myself a nap, wake up and jump into the ocean, smoke some underwater crack, bitch.
Arrogance of man is thinking nature's in our control.
Let them fight, let them fight. Our families with Godzilla's the only one who can save our soul. Let them fight,